So let's look at the components that I think really distinguish Gong meditation from, let's just say, Gong relaxation. The third one is, I think in some ways, I don't know if it's the most important, but it's one of the most, I think, effective ones, and that is mudras, hand positions, how you hold the fingers with the thumb, and there's other mudras as well you can engage. Mudras are also defined, by the way, in yoga as the gazes, the drishtis, the third eye gaze, crown chakra gaze. Mudras are also defined as bandhas too, as well, in yoga, technically speaking. So all these practices of yoga that help to create focus and control of energy, such as a mudra, bandha, and the drishti or gaze, this is a very important part of Gong meditation. If you're not using a hand position, you should at least definitely be using an eye position to hold the mind in a meditative place. And the wonderful thing about mudras is that there are literally hundreds of them, and you'll find over time that certain meditation practices are really based on how the specific mudra is working in that case. And the mudras also allow us to access chakras and planetary energies and Ayurvedic healing energies as well. So the mudras, to me, I think it could be almost a definition of what Gong meditation is truly about.